Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. Although I've been trading with Vantage for a while now as they are UK based, I always recommend the broker IC Markets on my channel. That's because they tick all of the essential criteria for my checklist for trading brokers. They are regulated. They offer a variety of different trading accounts, including a raw spread account. They have multiple options for funding their trading account, and more importantly, they are not restricted to just using crypto like so many brokers are nowadays. Their options have little to no fees and tight spreads, which are essential for trading conditions. They offer great customer support, giving many different options, and their services are available worldwide to most of the countries. They do exclude a few, but compared to many different brokers, they offer availability to many people worldwide. Personally, I've had a great experience with IC Markets. I have had to use their support and they have been fast, they have been really supportive, and I've had no problem depositing and withdrawing money from my account. On the contrary, it has been very streamlined, and that's why in this video I'm going to share with you how you can create an account with IC Markets. We're going to hop onto the computer. I'm going to share with you step by step how to create both a demo account and a live account. So if you're watching this, if you are a complete beginner, then I certainly recommend starting in a demo account. This is basically where you are trading in a fake environment. It is a simulation of the market. It's using fake paper money, and it allows you to practice and learn trading without risking any money at all. It is essential for beginners. And what is fantastic is that IC Markets offer a free demo account. You don't even have to pay anything for it. When I first started trading, I was paying about £70 a month to use a demo account. That was before I learned that there were free options available like the one I'm about to show you today. And if you stick around long enough, I'm also going to show you how you can fund the account for those of you who are ready to trade with live money. I'm going to deposit some money into my account with IC Markets. So if you want to follow along with me, I have got a link to IC Markets below in the description, so you can load that up and follow each step with me. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get straight to it. Okay guys, so first things first, let's load up IC Markets, and it is icmarkets.com. As I said before, the link is in the description below. If you want to go straight to that, you should get the same page as me now. Let's make this a little bit bigger so you can see the whole process crystal clear. So first things first is we are going to go to Start Trading. And this will take you to the application form that you have to complete. Now this is the same for most brokers. You have to fill in your basic details, which we'll go over in just a moment. But there's this pop-up that comes up here. And it's just to clarify that you know that IC Markets, who are trading as the Raw Trading Limited, are not regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Now that's the one that's based here in the UK. And is this just to cover themselves? Every broker will have to do this to be really clear with you about the regulations they follow. Now IC Markets are regulated. They're regulated with a different financial authority. So I'm going to continue because I'm okay with that. And step number one in creating the account is simply to enter in your details. So you do that, I'll do that, and let's meet back in a moment. Step number two is a little bit more information about yourself. So once again, I'm going to fill this out. Basically the account type, which is going to be individual because this is an individual account, date of birth and address, and we'll meet back in a moment. Then you reach this page, Trading Account Configuration, and this is just details about the account we are setting up. So IC Markets offer a couple of different platforms that you can use for your actual trading account. They use MetaTrader, which is the one that I prefer because you can use it on the laptop and your mobile phone, but they also have CTrader. So I'm going to just stick with MetaTrader 5. And the type of account you can use here, a standard account or a raw spread. I'm going to choose the raw spread account. And of course the currency, the base currency, I'm going to go with Great British Pound for this, but of course you choose the one that best suits you. And we'll click next. And the last page is simply a review of all of the information you've just spitted. And finally you have a declaration. Pretty self-explanatory, just to help verify your identity. So once you've submitted that off, you should receive an email with your details. Let's have a look. So I've just clicked on the link that I received through my email, and this takes you to the page where you can choose a password. Once you've done that, you're good to log into your dashboard. Now, as soon as you log in, it'll probably bring up a page similar to this where it's asking you to just further verify your identity. They're just basic security checks that are always important to carry out. And once you have done that and you actually log into your dashboard, there'll be a final step to carry out, and this is more specific information for yourself. So it's based on your employment, your income, and there may be a couple of financial trading based questions in there as well. Don't worry, we're going to just go through that step right now. So it's important to note that it's not a test, it's just a way of them to observe and of course just be honest, and I'm going to fill out this point and we'll move on to the next one together. Once again, with trading knowledge and experience, it's not a test, so just be honest. Don't try to feel self-conscious like you're not good enough to have an account. It's none of that. It's just a way for them to gauge their services to you, to probably offer you more support if you need it. And it's basically acknowledging the importance of risk and derivative products. That's why they're asking these. They want you to understand risk is real and that you can lose money, because they don't want you to obviously lose all of your money. So it's very crucial to just understand that aspect of setting up a broker. But once you've done that, you have access to your dashboard. Now, what I love about IC Markets is they just make it so easy to use, easy to set up accounts, multiple accounts, easy to manage. So right now I am in accounts and I'm in the live account section. So let's do the demo account first. So you can click on the tab here that says demo accounts. And of course there's none yet. So let's open a new demo account. I'm going to keep it with MT5, MetaTrader 5. I'm going to keep it as a raw spread account. I'm going to change my currency. My leverage, I will keep at the highest leverage, that's fine. And you can choose the deposit. So for this, I'm going to set a £10,000 deposit. And it's as simple as that. That demo account is now available here. You can see the information you've got. You've got the password and you've got the number right here. So once you've got that account made, how do you actually access it? Well, you need to download the platform you have chosen. So in this case for me, it's MetaTrader 5. Now, IC Markets once again make it really easy. You can just go into the download section on the left-hand side and they will bring up their different software right here. So I've got MetaTrader 5 chosen and there's a button here that says download MT5. So once you've downloaded MetaTrader 5, yes, I decided to download it in the end so that you could see the complete process. This is the screen you'll probably get. So it'll say connect with an existing trade account. Now that's what we want to do because we have just created one. So let's hop back into our accounts with IC Markets, back into the demo account section. And let's just copy this number here, which is the user ID, the login ID. Back into the accounts to copy the password, which is the long number here. And it'll also have the server name listed right there, IC Markets SC Demo. And you'll get a load of noises happening, which will basically be syncing you up. It'll probably automatically have your mailbox highlighted. It'll just say you have just registered a new account. But if you click onto this far left panel here, the tab that says trade, you will see your fake trading account with the balance that you chose. So for me, I chose £10,000. And this is also the default option that comes up here. So you have some charts open. But without going too into how to sync the platform up, this allows you to trade using this fake account. So right now I can buy Euro USD, accept the terms and conditions, I can buy Euro USD, and I am now long into this position. And it's very, very simple to learn, practice, develop new techniques, strategies, hone your trading skills in the safe environment with fake money. Only when you feel ready, when you feel that you're consistently profitable, would I recommend switching to a live account, and only then I would advise to use very small account size positions. So we've just set up a demo paper account. Now let's set up a live account that we can fund and use using real money. So to do that, it's back into the accounts tab from the dashboard. Make sure that you're under live accounts and click here, open new live account. It's really quite straightforward and simple. It's the same process as before, choosing your software, the type of account. So I'm going to choose raw spread, the currency, which once again I'll change to Great British Pound, and the leverage, and then click proceed. Now the only difference here is that of course we need to fund our live account. We need to add some real money to it. So I'm going to click this tab here that says fund your live trading account. And it brings up a range of different funding options that you can use to fund your account. And what I love about IC Markets is that it's not restricted to crypto. I've used many different brokers. I've tried out a lot of different companies, and I feel personally it's much better when they give you all of these options because it's so much easier to fund your account, it's quicker, and more often than not, you can avoid paying any fees in the process. So I'm probably going to go with the top one here, which is a verified by Visa option because it's instant and it's free. So I have my trading account chosen. I'm going to choose my deposit amount. So for this, I will deposit £1,000. And then quite simply, you just want to enter in your card details. Once you've done that, you'll be able to log onto your live trading account using the same information, the login, the password, and the server ID, where you can start trading with real money. If you want some further help, I have got a free trading plan available that will help guide you through creating a trading plan and also sharing an example with you if you haven't yet created one. So there's a link to that in the description below. Meanwhile, if you've enjoyed the video, please let me know by smashing the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.